Hey guys, happy Friday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and I am so sorry this phone is like all jacked up. It wouldn't let me turn it sideways to do The Drive at 5 like I usually do, so I hope this finds you well. But anyway, to pick up from where I left off, today on Facebook I posted 3 pictures, 3 pictures, and I asked which one of these pictures inspires you. Now the very first one is picture A, and it says, Becky, I sold my first item, $7.74 profit. Shock! Here we go. And then the second one shows $215.46 in sales. That's selling 20,759 items. And then exhibit C shows selling $2,992,813.87 in sales. And so I asked which one of these inspires you. And of course there were all kinds of answers. Some were saying A, some were saying B, some were saying C. And I'm going to tell you which one inspires me. And it's Barry's post from I sold my first item. So Barry, super excited for you. Every time I receive one of these, guys, it's something about that first sale. And whenever you get that first sale, and like Renata said, and the blinders come off and your eyes are open, you're like, oh my gosh, this is real. People are making real money online doing this. And I'll show you. Oh snap, now my phone's gonna go dead. But I'll show you here. I printed them off, all 3. I don't know if you can see them right there. I'll turn them like that. Anyway, super exciting stuff here, guys. And what I wanted to say is they are all super inspirational. But the one that's more inspiring to me is that very first sale. The first time you hear the cha-ching on your eBay app. The first time you get your Amazon sale. The first time, your first Shopify sale. Hi, Heather. Your first Shopify sale. Those are the things that just make me smile and make me happy, because if I can do it, you can do it. If Barry can do it, you can do it. And every time I think back of a sale, I think about the first people that inspired me when I first started 4 years ago with drop shipping. And I say this all the time, but there's this lady, her name is Sharon, and she's like quadriplegic, so she was copying and pasting with a mouth stick. So she has a little computer, and she would use a mouth stick. And so she was making her money by using a mouth stick. That means no hands, no legs, guys. And that like totally inspired me. It has inspired me more than I think anything. And I still, to this day, I'm friends with her. I still send her messages and say, girl, you are so inspiring to me. But yet then there are completely healthy people that are like, oh, I can't copy and paste. I can't copy that URL. And I'm like, oh my gosh, come on, people, if you want to make millions of dollars. And I was thinking today, I was like, well, I bought a car, I bought a boat, I bought this, I bought that. But then, guys, it's not about what the material things. The very first thing I bought, garage doors for my house. The second thing I bought is a Sleep Number bed, and people are like, how much money did you spend for your bed? Dude, I sleep good every night. Every night I sleep good. But listen, guys, it's not about those things that I bought. You know what it's about? It's about helping you buy your things. I was also thinking, yes, I bought like material things, but I've also helped people adopt children. I've also helped buy shoes for people, complete strangers that I don't know. I've also put groceries in food pantries. I've also donated to the March of Dimes, and on and on and on. And it's like, it's more than the material things. It's the things that you can do, the more people that you can help. And yes, I know I get on here and I help hundreds and hundreds and thousands of you. Hi, Harold. So great to see you. I help so many of you, but then in turn, I want you to go out and impact and help people as well, either with your time, with your money, by showing them how they can earn money online. That, an extra just $500 a month will help families from going like bankrupt and losing everything. Just an extra $500 a month. And I think about that, and I don't usually drop ship, but there is this one item that I have, and it's actually sold 7 times this week with, I'll have to go look at the exact number, but it's like $111 and some cent profit from one item that I have listed on Amazon for when they run out of stock. One item, like $700 this week. And that's from one item drop shipping. That's like super crazy, guys. That's in like, I'll look it up when I get home and I'll show you the exact numbers. But there's so much money out here, guys. There's so much that you can do. And if you're brand new, you know, some of you commented, you're like, you know, A looks amazing to me. And that's what I want you to do. And that's why it's super important to me that first sale is the one that is the most inspiring to me. Because if you can sell one item, you can sell 10,000. If you can sell 10,000, you can sell 1 million. And the more you learn, the more you earn. And I am a true testament to that. So that's what I wanted to share today. Happy Friday. Here's the show and tell that I posted on Facebook. If you see it, go vote which one is more inspiring to you, A, B, and C. And you know, if I would say, hey, $3 million in sales, if you're brand new, you'd be like, yeah, right. That's a scam, right? But if you're like, hey, I made my first sale and I made $7.74. I mean, that's like a Starbucks coffee, guys. You know? That's what I wanted to share today. So if you're interested in even starting this e-commerce journey, I promise you, somewhere out there I can point you to my favorite word. Does anybody know what it is? It's a 6-letter word. I feel like a Pointer sister, right? I'm so excited. And my 6-letter word is a system. I know a system somewhere that I can point you to, depending on where you want to start to earn money online. This 6-letter word, system, S-Y-S-T-E-M, that will help you get started wherever you want to get started today. So send me a message, and if you like this video, if you know other people that want to earn, you know, just an extra $500 a month, forward this message to them, and I will see you Monday on The Drive at 5, and my Ecom Rockstars, I will see you tonight. I have some good training for you guys, and I'll see you tonight in the Ecom Rockstar group. If you're interested in learning about Ecom Rockstars, you can go to joinecomrockstars.com. Have an amazing night. Bye.